कहाँ पे हैं?
आज हम देखने आए हैं कश्मीरी मूवी बट कोच।
आज भी हो रहा है
It's war aamut ye picture which but coach
कोच वुचने खतरे
कैसी लगी आपको?
बहुत अच्छी बहुत बढ़िया
क्या हमारा
Very good point.
तुम्हारा भाषा
First class, one of beautiful, very nice.
कैसी लगी आपको?
वेरी नाइस।
बहुत अच्छी
तुम्हारा
different experience.
भाषा
Amazing, very unique experience. Back to the roots, emotional.
किस्मारा भाषा
Very nice, very nice.
कैसी लगी?
My God, it was really wonderful.
किस्मारा
amazing
Thank you.
so proud of all the
It's a beautiful movie, comedy is asal, and on top of that, using emotional scenes is Bad Asal is. Great job, Siddharth and Ankit, right? Wonderful movie.
बड़ा हमारा मज़ा it captured the real essence of Kashmiri household.
How was it?
Oh, beautiful, nicely done, very crisp movie, good editing.
Thank you. How was it?
It was extremely good, very well made, but at the same time so inspiring. We were crying, and my 4-year-old also loved it. So that says something.
कैसी लगी?
I feel like it's amazing.
Thank you.
Yus ऐसे culture yus छु relic ह्यू बन्योमुत आत्म छु सु होमुत कि कित पट छु सु छु relic योत असली मंज क्या ओस रहन सहन क्या ओस ऐसे क्या चीज़ दाग क्या ऐसे सुत्राव क्या के वैसे तो इंसान ट्रांसफर हेकान गसे एक जाय पर दोमी जाय मगर कशीर त्रावनच दाग क्या सु ऐसे कोंड ह्यू अंदर ना युस ना नेरान हमारा बहुत बड़ शुक्रगुजार कि वन सोन मैसेज इत पे कम्युनिकेट करना आर्ट फॉर्म ये सिनेमा आर्ट फॉर्म युस वारिया वाइड रीच सो बहुत बड़ खुश कि हेकान पन स्टोरी वन सारनी बोजनवित सो kudos to the makers of this movie.
I think for the younger audience, they'll get an understanding of life in Kashmir because they've never witnessed Kashmir or seen Kashmir, so they'll understand a bit more about the culture. And for the older people, it's reminiscent of the days in Kashmir. So yes,